Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT Kitchen. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, we are going to be learning how to make Iman in the simplest way. Let's begin. Bismillah. I also managed to clean some of the pepper that she bought from the market, and I'm going to prepare this for jollof rice, inshallah. Change of plan. I decided to make Iman with the pepper, so sis mother has helped me peel the beans, so I'm going to be blending them now. Add ginger, onion, and a little bit of water. I want to try and see whether this can blend the beans. Hopefully it's not going to jump up. It's been 25 seconds. Let's see what happened. Oh, not bad. But I don't think I can blend it to be smooth. I like to fry my oil before adding it to the Iman with onions to give it additional flavor. I'm going to be using corned beef as well. That's 340 grams of corned beef. Once the oil is hot, I add the onion. It's not hot enough, so I'll wait while I prep the egg. The oil is hot enough, so I'm adding the onion. Slice the corned beef before you add it so that it will be easy to dissolve. Turn off the heat and leave this to dissolve. I've got 5 tablespoons of crayfish powder here, and I've got 1 bowl of dambu nama. That's chicken dambu nama. So I'll mix it well. I've already had 4 cubes of mangi to that chicken mangi. I've got 6 cubes here, so if it's not enough after adding the crayfish, I'm going to top it up with the remaining mangi. Add this. Mix well before adding it to the Iman mixture. Continue mixing. Because I decided to make Iman in 9 minutes, so we are going to be using the oven spray to make it. So spray the oil inside it. I want to check whether the water is enough for the Iman. You keep checking it from the omorogun. If it's still thick, you can see that it's still thick. You keep adding a little bit of water and you keep mixing it. I still need to add a little bit of more water. I think I'm happy with the consistency now, so I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it. I've had more oil, so you keep mixing. But because I'm using oven, so I'll add a little bit of more water to it, so that the marmite will still be soft after finish cooking or baking. I've divided the mixture into two, and I'm going to be adding some crayfish to this. This is the white crayfish. Just close the top. Add egg. Slice the egg before adding. So. I'm using 14 of mackerel, 2 for each. I'll just sprinkle it on top, bit by bit. Alhamdulillah. The next thing is to put it in the oven, but I'm going to cover it with foil paper. Cover with foil paper. While the marmite is cooking in the oven, let's start preparing the fried rice. I've got ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper. Cut on it with oil fine. So I'm going to be adding the meat veg. I'm using 1 kg of meat veg. I'm adding different types of chicken. These are the chicken that they use for pizza topping. I bought them for the kids, but they don't like it, so I decided to use it to make fried rice. So we've got Chinese chicken, we've got plain chicken, we've got chicken tikka and chicken masala. The mixed veg is for the rice, so we are going to add it to the fried rice. This rice is not that good, but we'll get to the end of it anyway. So I'm going to put it back in the oven so that it can absorb the remaining moist from the rice. This is the sauce we make for the fried rice. It's done, so I hope they eat. The fried rice is also done, and the marmite is in the oven. This asaro, it should be called asaro fried rice because what is fokpo. The rice is not good rice at all. But anyway, it's just not. The marmite may not look appetizing because the way it has been made, but trust me, it tastes really nice and yummy. Alhamdulillah for the end result of today's cooking. With the help of sweet mother and the kids, We managed to make fried rice, my we grate carrot for salad, and we make tapioca. Kindly wait our cooking. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to keep smiling. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. IWHAT.